Hello friends, myself Chirag. In this video, I am going to discuss with you passive attack in network security. There are many attacks in network security, but basically, security attack divided into two categories. One is passive attack and second one is active attack. In this video, I am going to discuss with you passive attack. So types of passive attack. So passive attack divided into two different categories. First one is release of message content and second one is traffic analysis. This is the first type of passive attack, release of message content. Name itself suggests attacker or hacker capture the message and then release the message. In this figure you can see Bob is the sender, Alice is the receiver and Darth is attacker or hacker. So whenever Bob sends data to Alice, that data read by we can say read the content of message by the Darth and then release the message to the Alice. Now see in detail. First, figure shows the release of message content in passive attack. The goal of the attacker is to obtain information that is being transmitted. So the purpose of this type of passive attack is to obtain the information. Do not modify information or do not change anything inside the message. Just read the message and then release the message. For example, a telephonic conversation, an electronic mail message and a transfer file may contain a sensitive or confidential information. So we can say hacker will access that file, read the content and then release that file for the receiver. Next, in this type of passive attack, message cannot be modified by attacker. Attacker just read the message and then release the message. So no modification is there, so it is called passive attack. If any kind of modification, so that will be converted into active attack. There may be a delay to reach the message at receiver end. Bob will send the message. Message will be captured by Darth or we can say attacker. Attacker read the message and then release the message. So maybe some kind of some time of delay in message. For example, B sent message to A. A receives the message, but before receiving the message was read by unauthorized person. This kind of passive attack cannot be recognized or identified during message transmission. It does not affect the system, just monitor data into the network. If it attack on the system or affect the system, so this kind of attack convert into active attack and that attack will be recognized or identified by the network person. Second one, traffic analysis. Figure shows the traffic analysis. This is the diagram of traffic analysis. Bob is the sender and Alice is the receiver and Darth is the attacker or we can say hacker. When Bob sends the message to the Alice, Bob is sender, so Alice receives the message. Before receiving this message, the pattern of the message is observed by Darth or we can say attacker or hacker. So purpose of this type of traffic analysis is intruders check the content of message or other information even if they captured the message but could not extract the information from the message. So we can also say in this type of attack intruder or we can say hacker will not read the message, just observe the pattern, which kind of pattern during message sending. The opponent might observe a pattern of message to get the location or any clue regarding origin of message. Next, passive attack are very difficult to detect because they do not involve any alteration of the data. For example, B is sending a message to A. At that time, intruders check the pattern of the message and also check that how many number of messages sent by sender with the same pattern. Passive attack, I will compare passive attack with the that kind of attack like if I want to kidnap one person in real life. So before kidnapping, so kidnapping is an active attack. So before kidnapping any person or we can say before active attack on any particular person, we have to watch that person. So watching is the passive attack. It is one kind of passive attack. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe on YouTube to get new video notification. Press the bell icon. Follow my blog edu resources. Thank you.